What are my basic rights in Germany? At the moment, many young people who fled from their homeland live in Germany. While some came to Germany with their families, many young people came alone. Only in 2014, more than 10,000 children and young people fled to Germany without their families. For 2015, the number is way higher. If you came to Germany without any family member or relative, German law applies a special protection for you. In other words, you have additional rights in Germany if you came here alone. This law is applied to children and young people, which means people under 18. Plus, this law is applied regardless of your nationality. So if you are under 18, doesn't matter from which country you come from, you will have special rights in Germany. Your rights are based on various legislations. The most important ones are UN Convention on the Rights of Children, EU Council Directive 2003/9/EC, which lays down minimum standards for the reception of asylum seekers, and German Children and Youth Protection Law. These laws guarantee your protection and respect for your decisions. As these rights are really important for your upcoming life in Germany, you should have general knowledge of them. In this video, we summarized for you the essential ones for the beginning. First of all, you have the right to get residential care. If you are under 18, Youth Welfare Office, Jugendamt, is responsible for you and provides you a place to stay, food as well as clothing. The Youth Welfare Office, Jugendamt, is also in charge of offering you a legal guardian, Vormund, and social workers, Betreuer, who will support you in your new life. Don't forget that the planning might take long time. There are many people who are in the same situation as you. Furthermore, you have the right to tell your opinion before an authority gives a decision on your status, and you have the right to get information about the decision process. Any authorities, such as Youth Welfare Office, Jugendamt, or Migration Office, Ausländeramt, has to respect your opinion and take into account your wishes. Plus, they have to provide you information. Of course, this might take long time, as you always need a translator to get informed. You have the right to say no. If you don't agree with the Jugendamt or Immigration Office, Ausländeramt, on certain matter, you have the right to file an objection against their decision. These decisions can be related to your age, your title, or your accommodation. You have the right to get health care. If you don't feel healthy or if you have any kind of ache, you always have the right to go to doctor. Plus, if you have persistent bad thoughts, live in a constant fear, or often see nightmares, you have the right to see a psychologist. They will help you and make you feel better. You have the right to go to high school or get vocational education, Ausbildung. In Germany, every child or young person has the right to study and have a chance to get certain diploma. You have the right to live with your family. If you receive a grant for asylum or residency permission, there is a possibility that your parents or siblings might also be allowed to live in Germany. This is called family reunification. Keep in mind that this process might take long. That was a brief overview of your rights in Germany. Always inform yourself about the role of the institutions, authorities which you are in contact with, as well as your current and further steps. It's really important to understand with whom you are talking to, what you are trying to accomplish, and which rights you have. Never hesitate to ask. It might take long, but you will always find somebody who will answer your questions. If you don't want to sign papers or documents that you don't understand, keep on informing yourself. In Germany, most of the legal documents are very difficult to understand, even for German people. For this reason, it is important that you are supported during your asylum procedure. The Youth Welfare Office, Jugendamt, your social workers, Betroya, or your legal guardian, Vormund, might help you to prepare for your asylum interview. In addition, they can help you to find a consultation center or refugee organization in your city.